Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to watch the SAG Awards 2025. Here's everything you need to know to catch the event live. Step 1. Check the date and time. The SAG Awards usually take place in February or March. Check your local listings for the exact date and time. Step 2. Watch on TV. If you have cable, the ceremony is often broadcast on TBS or TNT. Just tune in on the event night. Step 3. Stream online. You can stream the event live via services like Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, and others that include TBS or TNT. Step 4. Use the SAG Awards website or app. Stay updated with live updates and exclusive content on the SAG Awards official website or app. Step 5. Follow on social media. For quick updates and highlights, follow hashtag SAG Awards 2025 on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube for clips and behind-the-scenes content. That's how you can watch the SAG Awards 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more entertainment news. See you next time.